Pagka-absent ni Bini Aya, nakaapekto sa Bini at Bloom. The latest update of Bini as they bloom wherever they go. For the past 3 events na wala si Bini Aya, mas na-feel ng mga Bini members and Blooms ang sobrang pagkamis at pangungulila. During the Musicalayaan at Bornham Green on June 12, 2024, hindi naka-attend at perform si Bini Aya due to school reason. May exam siya that time. The second event was Iske ng San Antonio Grand Musical Festival on June 15, 2024. The Bini management posted advisory. The advisory regarding di makakapunta si Bini Aya due to health reason. The third event was on June 17, 2024 as Jollibee introduced Bini as the newest Jollibee endorser. Marami man ang masaya para si Bini for this new achievement, wala pa rin si Bini Aya, still recuperating pa rin siya. On that Jollibee event, naiwan ni Bini Mika ang Jollibee ni photocard niya, kaya kay Bini Aya ang kinuha niya. Missing man personally pero sa heart ng Bini ay nandyan siya. Marami din nagpaabot na mensahe how much they miss Bini Aya and hoping for her fast recovery. At sana sa concert nila ay maka-attend na siya para complete ng happiness ng Bini at ka-Blooms.